Quiz time is here, and in this quiz, we will answer some questions about the vocabulary that we learned in lesson 23. So let's start, guys. The first question is, what is pot in Chinese? So we have A, 壶, B, 锅, C, 杯子, D, 勺子. So I will give you some time to think. Hu is kettle, guo is pot, 杯子 is mug, 勺子 is spoon. Pot in Chinese should be B, 锅, 锅. Moving on to the next question. What is door in Chinese? So we have A, 瓶子, B, 台阶, C, 窗, D, 门口. So which one of them is the correct answer? Pins is bottle. 台阶 is stairs or flight of steps. 窗 is window. 门口 is door. So the correct answer for this question should be D. 门口, 门口. The next question is, what is spoon in Chinese? We have A, 门口, B, 窗, C, 勺子, D, 壶. So let's try to guess first. Mankou is door, 窗 is window, 勺子 is spoon, 壶 is kettle. So the right answer for this question is C, 勺子, 勺子. What is bottle in Chinese? We have A, 台阶, B, 杯子, C, 锅, D, 瓶子. So let's think and guess. Taijie is stairs or flight of steps. 杯子 is mug. 锅 is pot. 瓶子 is bottle. So the right answer for this question is obviously D. 瓶子, 瓶子. The next question is, what is kettle in Chinese? Here we have A, 窗, B, 壶, C, 勺子, D, 台阶. So which one of them is correct here? Chuang is window, Hu is kettle, 勺子 is spoon, 台阶 is flight of steps or stairs. So kettle in Chinese is B, 壶, 壶. The next question is, what is stairs in Chinese? So we have A, 锅, B, 台阶, C, 杯子, D, 窗. So I will give you some time to think. Guo is pot. 台阶 is stairs or flight of steps. 杯子 is mug. 窗 is window. So, what is stairs in Chinese? The correct answer is B. 台阶, 台阶. Moving on to the next question. What is mug in Chinese? Here we have A. 杯子, B. 瓶子, C. 门口, D. 勺子. So which one of them is right? So I will explain it to you. 杯子 is mug, 瓶子 is bottle, 门口 is door, 勺子 is spoon. So mug in Chinese should be A. 杯子. The next question is, what is window in Chinese? So we have A. 窗, B. 门口, C. 瓶子, D. 勺子. So I will give you some time to think and guess. So 窗 is window, 门口 is door, 瓶子 is bottle, 勺子 is spoon. So the correct answer for this question is A. 窗. So actually that's all for today's quiz. I hope that you guys got the correct answers. And I will see you on our next lesson. Thank you.